Today, we're going to listen in on the secret life of machines. We're not talking about the loud, obvious noises of a factory, but something much quieter, a whisper that can actually tell us the future. I mean, seriously, what if? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? The idea that a piece of industrial equipment could give you a heads up before it fails. But here's the thing. In the world of high-precision manufacturing, this isn't fiction anymore. It is the absolute cutting edge of technology. So let's get into it. So at the heart of all this is a really simple, universal problem. Things just wear out. And in a factory setting, that wear and tear has this massive hidden cost. It affects everything from how efficient the line is to the quality of the things we buy. Okay, so what exactly is tool wear? Well, it's the slow, steady breakdown of a cutting tool's sharp edge. It's not some big, sudden snap. It's more like a death by a thousand cuts, a tiny, microscopic loss of material every single time it's used. You know, think about a kitchen knife. After you use it for a while, it gets dull, right? It's harder to slice a tomato. Now, imagine that same idea, but scaled up to an industrial CNC mill that's carving super hard metal parts. Same principle, but the stakes are way, way higher. So if this damage is literally microscopic, how on earth can we see it coming before it's too late? Well, it turns out the machine itself gives us a huge clue, a telltale signature that we can actually measure: cutting force. And this right here shows you exactly what's going on. When a tool is sharp, it just glides through the material. Friction is low, not a lot of force is needed, everything is cool and efficient. But as that edge gets dull and worn down, whoa! Friction goes through the roof. The machine has to push way harder to make the same cut, which generates a ton of heat, and the whole process gets sloppy. And that is the absolute key. This increase in force, it isn't just a side effect. It's a measurable signal. It's the machine quietly whispering, "Hey, I'm working a lot harder than I'm supposed to. Something's not right." That's the whisper we're listening for. But here's where it gets even trickier. The problem doesn't just sit there. That quiet whisper can turn into a roar pretty fast because tool wear creates this nasty, vicious cycle that just makes itself worse. You can see the whole loop right here. The tool starts to wear down. Because it's dull, the force and heat go up, and as research from folks like Wong and Baclia confirms, that extra heat and stress makes the tool wear down even faster. It's a runaway train that ends with, you guessed it, a bad part and eventually a broken tool. Okay, so we've got a problem that conveniently sends out its own signal. The next obvious step is to figure out how to listen. How do we tune into that whisper of force and turn it into something we can actually use? The whole solution is built on this one core idea. Experts agree that cutting force isn't just some signal, it's a primary one. It's reliable, you can measure it in real time, and it is packed with info about how healthy that tool is. And we're not talking about some guy watching a needle on a dial here. Oh no. This is all about incredibly sophisticated data science. We're talking artificial intelligence and machine learning models that can analyze all that noisy data from the force sensors, spot the super subtle patterns of wear, and then predict when that tool is about to give up. And this stuff really works. It's not just theory. You've got researchers like Kelfawi proving you can directly link force signals to wear using machine learning. Then Saliet's team took it a step further with neural networks, basically AI that mimics the human brain, to get super accurate predictions. And then Monty's team found that if you combine force data with other signals, like vibration, you can get even more accurate. So what's the big deal? What does all this actually change on the factory floor? What does it mean when we can finally understand what a machine is telling us about its own future? Honestly, the impact is huge. It means we can move from just replacing parts on a schedule, every 100 hours, whether it needs it or not, to true predictive maintenance. You fix things right before they break. That means less waste because you're not scrapping bad parts. It means more efficiency, and at the end of the day, higher quality, more consistent products for all of us. This is a massive step towards truly smart manufacturing. So it all leaves us with this pretty wild question. We started with a simple whisper. Just a tiny change in force. But by learning to decode it, we're building systems that can see their own failures coming. You have to wonder, how far away are we really from a factory that can diagnose itself, order its own spare parts, and schedule its own repairs, all without a human stepping in? The machine's whisper is just getting started.